Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to verify your email on Roblox. If you've been searching for a way to verify the email address on your Roblox account, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To verify your email address on your Roblox account, first of all, open the Roblox app on your desktop or mobile and log into your account. You can also use a web browser to log in. Once logged in, click on the three dots menu located on the right side of the screen. You will see various options. From here, select Settings. At the top of the screen, click on Account Info. Under Account Info, you will see the email address with a pending verification status. Click on Verify on the right side of the email address. If you haven't added an email address yet, click on Add Email. Once you click, Roblox will send a verification email to the address you provided. Now, go to your email inbox, find the email from Roblox, and click on the Verify Email button. Your email address is now successfully added and verified on your Roblox account. By following these simple steps, you can easily verify your email on Roblox.